guys, nako, umaga pa lang ang likot-likot ng aming pusa. Mostly sa gabi ako mag hair color kasi sa araw ang daming gawain. Ngayon ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano po ang aking ginagamit. 0.00 white. I prefer to use EPSA kasi hindi siya babaho guys. Mag-last longer yung hair color niya. At affordable naman yung price. Binili ko po ito sa online guys. At saka meron naman tayong blower. At saka yung tansya. Mixer. Lalagyan. Saka yung gloves. Yun naman ang importante. Abangan! Intro muna tayo! Valentine's Day is coming, kailangan tayong magpapaganda kahit konti man lang. Kahit 0.00 white po yung ginagamit na hair color ko, my hair is not turning into white kasi hindi naman po ito binibleach. Kasi I'm allergic to bleach. And also don't forget the oxidizing agent. Since after the pandemic was started, sa bahay na po kami mag hair color para po sa aming safety. Tsaka hinahawakan ko na lang din po yung hair color mixture guys kasi kakainin ng aming pusa. Last month nag hair color combination ako guys, aqua green, at nawala na ngayon kasi hindi naman yun permanent. I'm back after washing my hair. This is Ashley serum, ilalagay ko po ito sa aking buhok. This is a hair treatment para hindi magdadry yung buhok mo after you color it. And massage gently for around 5 minutes bago po kayo magbo-blow dry ng iyong buhok. Kailangan nating magpapaganda guys kasi ilang araw na lang Valentine's Day na. And our next step is magbo-blow dry tayo sa buhok. At pagkatapos ng blow dry ay magpa-plancha din tayo. And we can save more money if we do some makeover only at home than going outside because plenty virus in there. And we must take care of ourselves because mahirap na magkasakit guys, walang pera. At saka pumangit pa tayo. O tingnan nyo, pantay na po yung buhok ko. And very soft because of Ashley serum. Please don't forget that hair is the crowning glory of your face. And for those who want to have a date for this coming Valentine's Day, start your makeover now before it's too late.